Welcome to Electron 6 layer, and you are watching the previous year question series of signal systems. In this section, we'll see some 6 mark questions. So this is our odd semester 2024 and 25 question series. Okay. So let us begin our discussion. The first question is find the linear convolution between the sequences 2, 1, minus 3 and 10, 8, 2. Okay. So what we are going to do is that we are using in this case actually time domain formula. Okay. Time domain, using the time domain formula, we are going to find out the linear convolution between the two sequences, that is 2, 1, minus 3 and 10, 8, 2. Okay. So let us begin. So let us take x of n. So x of n equal to 2, 1, minus 3, and that is our h of n. So h of n equal to 10, 8 and 2. So all are 3-point sequences. Okay. So what is the formula? So this is the to find out the convolution. So y of n equal to x of n convolved with h of n. Okay. So to find out the convolution, this is the formula. So summation of k minus infinity to plus infinity x of k h of n minus k. So this is called the time domain formula. Okay. So next one is so length of the input sequence. What is the length of the input sequence? You can see this is a 3-point sequence. So that is the this length of the input sequence is designated as L. Okay. So L is here is 3. Similarly, length of the impulse response, that is M, is equal to 3. Okay. So what will be our length of the output sequence? So the length of the output sequence will be N, that is will be L plus M minus 1. So 3 plus 3 minus 1, that will be 5. Okay. So the length of the output sequence will be 5. Okay. So the output sequence will have the length of 5. Okay. So let us means take what is the starting point and ending point of our input this output sequence. Okay. So you can see x of n is starting point is of 0, and h of n the starting point also 0. X of n the ending point is 2, and h of n the ending point is 2. Okay. So what is the formula upon finding out the starting point and ending point? So starting point, you can see this is the left hand side. So left it will start from you can see the x of n is starting from 0, and h of n also starting from 0. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0. Okay. So only ending point. So ending point is your x of r. That is the right sequence, right side it is ending with. So it is 2 plus 2. Okay. Because the x of n value is how much? X of n value equal to 2, 1 and minus 3. So it will start from n equal to 0, then it is 1 and 2. Okay. So also the h of n value is your, that is h of n, it is 10, 8 and 2. So it is also starting n equal to 0, then n equal to 1, that is 2. So this is the right x h of r. This is our x of r. So all are 2. So 2 plus 2, it will be 4. So our n of the output sequence will be from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of output sequence length will be 5. So it will n is from 0 to 4. So we will put this in the formula. Okay. So y of n, what is the formula? Y of n equal to summation of k equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of k h of n minus k. So let us put first n equal to 0. So you can put n equal to 0. So you can get this formula. So x of a into h of minus k. So let us plot this. So first we plot x of k. This is our x of k. So x of k equal to how much? X of k, we know that this is x of k equal to 2, 1 and minus 3. Okay, this is our x of k. Okay, 2, 1 and minus 3. Okay. So at n equal to 0, at n equal to 0, the value is 2. At n equal to 1, the value is 1. At n equal to 2, the value is minus 3. Okay. Similarly, let us plot h of k. So h of k, what is h of k? So h of k equal to 10, 8 and 2. So 10, 8 and 2. So at 0, the value is 10. Okay. At n equal to 1, the value is 8. And n equal to 2, the value is 2. So this is our h of k. So we need to find out h of minus k. Then we will multiply with x of k. So what will be h of minus k? Is nothing but the time reversal, or that is the of h of k. Okay. Or time folding. Okay. So about the origin. So this is our h of minus k. So you can see this 0 that is the will be constant, and this 1 will be minus 1 and 2 will be minus 2. So this is the reflection of the means about the origin. Okay. So this 1 will be minus 1, that minus 1 the value is 8, and this 2 that will be minus 2, the value is 2. So it is the reflection at origin. Okay, or it will fold. You can fold the sequence. Okay. So this is our h of minus k. So let us multiply it with x of k. So that will be our y of 0. Okay. So this multiplication would be point by point multiplication. So at 0 the value is 2. At 0 the value is 10. Okay. So it will be 2 into 10. Okay. Similarly, at 1 the value is 1, but in this case that 1 that is the value is 0. Okay. So you don't need to multiply this. Similarly, at 2 the value is minus 3, there is not at 2 the value is 0, so you don't need to multiply this. So only the value is common value is 0. Okay, so you can see minus 1, in this case the value is 8, but in this case the value is 0. Okay, so the common point is your 0. So 0, x of k value is 2 and h of minus k value is 10, so it will be 2 into 10, that will be 20. Okay, so y of 0 equal to 2 into 10, it will be 20. So we have found out y of 0. So we will find out y of 0 because n value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will find y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3 and y of 4. Okay. So let us find out y of 1. So y of 1, just put n value equal to 1. So this is a formula x of k into h of 1 minus k. So let us find out what is h of 1 minus k. Okay. So h of 1 minus k is obtained by shifting h of minus k towards the right by 1 unit in time. Okay. So that is a time shift operation. So this is our h of minus k. Let us shift this value towards the right. Okay, towards the right by 1 unit in time. So that will be shifted towards the right by 1 unit. This minus 2 will be minus 1. This minus 1 will be 0. Then it will be 1. Okay. So that will be shifted towards the right. You can see this minus 1, the value is 2, 0, 8 and 1 it is a 10. Okay. So it is h of minus k will be shifted towards the right. Okay, by 1 unit in time. Okay. So let us multiply it to the x of k. Okay. So this is our x of k. Let us multiply it. You can see there is a common samples are there at this 0 and 1 are the common samples between these two. So you can multiply 2 into 8, then you can multiply 10 into 1. Okay. The one that is the and this 2 it is minus 3, but in this case that 2 value is 0, 0. Okay. That is at 2 the value is 0. Okay. So that is no need to multiply this. So minus 1, this value is 0. Okay. So only common point is here 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay. So it will be 8 into 2 plus 10 into 1. Okay. So 8 into 2 plus 10 into 1. So it will be 26. Okay. So let us find out the value of y of 2. So at n equal to 2, y of 2 equal to summation of k is minus infinity plus infinity x of k, h of 2 minus k. So h of 2 minus k is obtained by shifting h of 1 minus k towards the right by 1 unit of time. Okay. So this is our h of 1 minus k. Let us shift this towards the right. Okay, shift this towards the right by 1 unit. So this will be 0, 1 and 2. So you no need to alter this magnitude. Okay, only alter the means it is a time shifting. So only the alter the time axis. Okay. So by 1 unit of time, you can shift the time axis by 1 unit of time. So it will be 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So let us multiply this with x of k. Okay. So this is our x of k. So let us take the common, all that you can see, all will be multiplied. So the 0, it is 2, here also 2. So 2 into 2, similarly 8 into 1, then 10 into 2. Okay. So it will be 2 into 2 at n value is 0. At 1 in n equal to 1, it is 1 into 8. N equal to 2, it is 10 into minus 3. So it will be 26. Okay. Now it is h of means n equal to 3. So let us calculate this h of 3 minus k. So 3 minus k will be obtained by shifting 2 minus k by 1 unit of time. Okay. So let us put this. So it will be, it is h of 2 minus k. So let us shift this towards the right. Okay. So it will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So now it will be multiplied with x of k. Okay. So this will be multiplied. So you can see over here their common value of n are that is the only 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So 1, that is 2 into 1, that will be 2 is 8 into minus 3. Okay. So 2 into 1 plus 8 into minus 3, that will be minus 22. Okay. Last one is your at n equal to 4. So n equal to 4, y of 4 equal to this one. So we need to find out what is y, h of 4 minus k. So it will be obtained by shifting h of 3 minus k towards the right by 1 unit in time. So you can see that. So this is our h of 3 minus k, just shift towards the right by 1 unit of time. So it will be 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, we will multiply this with x of k. Okay, this is x of k. So, the common points are, you can see only 2. So, 2 into minus 3. Okay, so that will be minus 6. So, we have found out the that is the convolution, linear convolution of between the two sequences. Okay, so final result is here. This is at n equal to 0. These are the n values. Okay, this is the starting point is here. Okay. So n equal to 0, 20, n equal to 21, there is 26, n equal to 2 is minus 18, n equal to 3, this is n equal to 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so let us check this. Okay, so let us check this by tabular method. Okay, so this is the result we have got. Okay, so let us check this by the tabular method. Okay, so you can write down here h of n. Okay, and you can write down here the value of x of n. Okay, next you can multiply. Okay, this multiply. So 2 into 10, that will be 20. 2 into 8, that will be 16. Then 2 into 2, it will be 4. Similarly, 1 into 10, it is 10. Then 8, then 2. Similarly, minus 3 into 10, that will be minus 30. Then minus 24 and minus 6. Then we can add. Okay, so no need to add here. There is one element. Okay, so diagonally you can add. So you can see this is x of n. So first sample is 20. Okay, second one you can add 10 plus 16, that will be 26. Similarly, you can add this 3. Okay, so 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 minus 30, that will be minus 18. Then this will be adding, so it will be minus 22 and minus 6. So this is our result. Okay. So this is for checking the result, whether your result is right or wrong. Okay, so it is a 6-mark question. So better you can do by time nominal formula, not using this tabular method. If the question asks for only 2 marks, then you can do this, means this tabular method. Okay, so this is our first questions. Okay, or 6-mark questions. Let us take our second question. That is the cross correlations. Okay, there are two sequences there. You need to find out the cross correlations. So this is x of n and y of n is given. So this is the formula for finding out the cross correlations. So if the sequence are two sequences are different, that is why we need to find out the it is called the cross correlations. Okay. So now this is the formula for finding out the cross correlation x of n into y of n minus l. Okay. So now this is x of n, you can draw. This is the graphical representation of x of n, and y of n also. This is the graphical representation y of n. Okay. So how to find out how many sequences you need to find out? That is, let us check that. Okay. So lowest point, you can see the lowest point and highest point. So how to find out the lowest point and highest point? Okay. So you can see what is x of n over here. This is minus 2, 6, 7, and 1 and 9. Okay. It is our x of n. Okay. So in this case, you can see that is the 1, minus 2, and 1. I think it is our y of n. 1 minus y of n. Okay. This is our x of n. Okay. So these are the two sequences. You need to find out the cross correlations. Okay. So you need to find out what is y of minus 1, because the cross correlation, it is x of n with y of minus n. So you need to this means find out what is y of minus n. What is y of minus n? Then it will be same equal to the time fold operation. So it will be 1 minus 2 1. Okay, this will be folded. Okay, but this sequence will be means starting point is here. Okay, so it will be minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 2 and that is minus 1 0. So we are folding this sequence. Y of n equal to how much? 1, 2, and 1. Okay, so about the time origin. Okay, so it will be, this sequence will be in the left side. Okay, so this will be 1 and minus 2. Okay, so this is the y, it is 1. You can see, that will be y of n how much? This is at 0, it is 1. At 1, it is minus 2. Okay, and it is 2, it is 1. Okay, this is our y of n. So you need to shift. Shift means the 0 will be remain as it is. Then at 1, that will be minus 2. This is minus 1. It is minus 2. It is 0. Then minus 2, it will be 1. Okay, this is y. So you can see it will start, y of minus 1 will starting point is minus 2. So that is why the lowest point is minus 2. Okay, so you can take the lowest point is minus 2. And the highest point, why the highest point you can see? So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the highest point is 4. The lowest point is minus 2. So you need to find out from minus 2 to 4. So as many as output sequence, how much? So it will, you can find out minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means 8, the length will be there. Output length will be 8. Okay. So let us see that. So this is the formula for finding out the cross correlations x of n into y of n minus n. So x of n, y of n minus n. Okay. So let us put first l equal to 0. Okay. So this is the actually we will be found at l equal to minus 2, at l equal to minus 1, l equal to 0, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Total actually, sorry, we have 7 sequence will be there. So these are the L values. Okay. So we can put this L value in this equation. So first we can put L equal to 0. Then we can shift left or right. Okay. Depending upon your whether the number is positive or negative. Okay. So first we put L equal to 0. Okay. So L equal to 0 means that will be x of n into y, that is the y of n. So what is x of n? This is x of n, and y of n, this x of n into that is the L equal to 0. Okay. So you can take that. So y of n. So that will be this equation. So I have not drawn actually the y of n over here. So what is y of n? Y of n equal to I have not drawn. So y of n equal to how much? So y of n equal to at 0 it is 1. At 0 it is 1. At 1 it is minus 2. At 1 it is minus 2. And at 2 it is 1. At 2 equal to 1. Okay. So just multiply. This is our y of n. Okay, y of n you can multiply. At 0 it is minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Then at 1 it is minus 2, it is 6. So it will be minus 12. Next, at 2 it is 7, at 2 equal to 1. So it will be plus 7. So the result will be minus 7. Okay. Just multiply x of n into y of n, sample by sample. Okay. Next further, we can find out what is at L equal to 1. This is the formula. So you need to find out what is y of n minus 1. Okay. So y of n minus 1 is obtained by shifting y of n towards the right by 1 unit of time. So this is our y of n. Just shift this by 1 unit of time. So this is the right side. You can shift the right side. So it will be 1, this sample will be 2, this sample will be 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it will multiply with x of n. Just multiply the x of n. Okay, sample by sample. So this sample 0, there is no sample at 0. So at 1 it is 6. So 6 into 1, then 2 it is 7. So 7 into minus 2, 3 into 1. Okay, means 1 into 1. Okay, so it will be 6. You can see 1 it is 6. So it will be 6. Then 2 it is minus 2. So 7 into 2 minus 14 is minus 14. 3 into 1 it will be 1. So it will be minus 7. Now at equal to 2. So that is the formula. So y of n minus 2 is obtained by shifting y of n minus 1 towards the right by 1 unit in time. Okay. So this is our y of n minus 1. Just shift this towards the right. Okay. Now this is our 2, 3, 4. Okay. It will be multiplied with x of n. This is our x of n. So just you can see the common value samples are 2, 3, and 4. So 2, 3, 2 at the value 7. So 7 into 1. Then minus 2 into 1. Then 4 it is 1 into 9. Okay. So this is the, it will be 14. Okay. The sample by sample multiplication. Then at L equal to 3. So it will be y of n minus 3. So y of n minus 3 is obtained by shifting y of n minus 2 by 1 unit time, 1 unit in time towards the right. Okay. So this is our y of n minus 2. Just shift this towards the right. Okay. Next multiply with x of n. So already we have the sample values are 3 and 4. Common values are 3 and 4. So it will be 1 into 1, then 4 into, it is 9 into minus 2. Okay, you can see 1 minus minus 18, that will be minus 7. Okay. Next is your, this is the, means y of n minus 4, that can be obtained by shifting y of n minus 3 towards the right by 1 unit in time. Okay. So you can shift towards the right, okay, then it will multiply with x of n. You can see there is a only one value. Common value is 1, that is 4. So that 4 is 9, that is 1. So it will be 9. Okay. So it will be 9. So we have found out the means right sides that we can negative values of L we will find next. Okay. So that is minus 1 and minus 2. So at minus 1 it will be y of n plus 1. So that will be shifted towards the left. Okay. So this is y of n that will be shifted towards the left. Okay. So you can see this that will be shifted towards the this. Okay, this side. Okay. So it will be minus 1, 0, and 1. Okay. So this is our y of n plus 1. That will be multiplied with x of n. Okay. So you can see the common values you can see at 0 it is minus 2. So minus 2 to minus 2, then 1 it is 6. So 6 into 1. Okay. So 4 plus 6 it will be 10. Okay. Now L equal to minus 2. So a y of n plus 2. So y of n plus 2 is obtained by shifting y of n plus 1 towards the left by 1 unit in time. So this is our y of n plus 1 and just shift towards the left. Okay, this side. Shift towards the left means this side you can shift. Okay. That will be multiplied by x of n. So result is minus 2. You can see the common values are this is at 0 it is 1, at 0 it is minus 2. No other common values are there. So it will be minus 2 into 1, that will be minus 2. So we have got all the values. Okay. So this is our final result. Okay. So let us recheck this by the tabular method. So tabular method you can see. So you can see here y of minus 1 you can write this side and x of n you can write this side. Okay. Just multiply this. Okay. Just multiply this. So minus 2 that will be multiplied with this 1, then this minus 24 that is minus 2, then 6 minus 12 1. Just multiply 7 with this all y of minus n. Okay. Then 1 it will be multiplied with this all y of minus n. So 9 that will be 9 minus 18 then 9. Okay. Then you have to diagonally add. Okay. So this is minus 2. The first sample is in minus 2. Second we can see 6 plus 10. The 6 plus 4 it will be 10. Third is your you can see minus 14. So these all are added. Okay, minus 14 that will be minus 14 plus 7 that is minus 7. Then it will be 8 minus 8 6 plus 7 7 minus 14 that will be minus 7 that will be then it will be 7 minus 2 5 9 plus 5 9 plus 5 it will be 14, then it will be minus 17 means this one, if we add this one it will be minus 17, then it will be 9. So we have rechecked this. Our means our actually correspondence result is correct. Okay, but please remember that you cannot use for 6 mark question the tabular method. Tabular method can be used if it is a 6 mark 2 mark questions. Okay. So this is our second 6 mark question. Our third 6 mark question is write and prove the integration properties of Fourier series continuous time. You please remember that this is all the Fourier series can be applied to the periodic signal only. Okay. So if x of t the Fourier series coefficient is c of n, then integration of x of tau deta will be cn divided by jn omega. This is our called the integration properties of Fourier series. Let us prove that. So this is the actually exponential form of Fourier series. So x of t equal to n equal to minus n plus m t. C of n is the Fourier series coefficient, that is e to the power j n omega t. So let us take t equal to tau. So that will be x of tau equal to this one. Only put t equal to tau. Then integrate this. Okay. This is the minus infinity to t. So summation of minus infinity plus infinity cn. So just you can see it will be integrate this. Okay. This will be integrated. Okay. So that will be integrated means it will be jn tau. Okay. You can see this is the d tau. Okay. So now it will be c e to the jn omega tau divided by n jn omega. So these things you can write as this cn divided by this jn omega. Okay. So this is how you can prove the integration properties of the Fourier series. Okay. So it will be cny this one. Okay. This is the thing. CNY into CNY this. This is the common. Na? You can see this is the common. Only thing is it is Cn is replaced by CNY Jn omega. Okay. So this is our integration properties of continuous time Fourier series. Okay. Next is that the last question we will take. Okay. So what is the determine the energy and power of this signal? Y of n equal to 10 cos 10n plus pi by 8. So energy formula is this here. This is the discrete time signal. So you can see y of n equal to this one. So 100 cos square. This is 10n plus pi by 8. So that will be infinity. Okay, because you can see that will be cos square theta equal to how much? 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay. So you can see that is a limit. Here there is a limit. Then it is n equal to minus n to plus n 100. Then you can see 1 plus cos 2 theta. So it will be 20n plus pi by 4. Okay, divided by 2. Okay. So you can means take outside. So you can say this is the summation of means 100 by 2 you can take outside, it will be 50. Then it will be 1 minus n to plus n, okay, plus summation of minus n to plus n cos 20n plus pi by 4, okay. This value equal to 0, okay, this value equal to 0, so it will be infinity, okay. So this value is 0 and energy of this signal is infinity. Similarly, what is the power? This is the formula for finding out the power. You can see the same. That will be 1 plus cos this formula. Okay, 20n plus pi by 4. Okay, divided by 2. You can put over here. Okay, so that will be keep outside. Okay, this is not 100. 100 is there. Okay, so you can take 100 outside. It will limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1, that is the 1 plus, so that will be taken outside, so half will be taken outside, that will be 1, n equal to minus n to n, okay, plus that summation of n equal to minus n to n, this cos theta, cos 20n plus that is pi by 4, that value equal to 0. So we are left with this one, okay. So let us take that, so 100, this 2 by 2, so limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1. This is your 2n plus summation of n equal to minus n to n 1. Summation of n equal to minus n to 1 n, that is 1, it was 2n plus 1. Okay. So that will be 2n plus 1. So this will cancel out. So it will be how much? It will be 50. Okay, only 50 you can get. Okay, so 50 watt. So now it will be average value of cos theta equal to half. So it will be 50 watt. Okay. So energy and power we have got of this signal. Okay. So that's all. So these are the references. In the next video, we'll see next 4 number of questions. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can free to ask me in the comment section. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.